Hello, my name's Chris Holland. I'm a storyteller, I'm an outdoor educator. I've been involved in Nature Connection and the 8 Shields for probably 8 years or so, and I did a degree in environmental science way back in '93 and decided I wanted to be part of sort of human scale education, and so I volunteered in a small school doing outdoor education there and PE, playing games inspired by a guy called Joseph Cornell, who I thought was amazing at the time. I still do. And eventually, after having met a guy who taught primitive living skills and having met Ray Mears as well at a farm that I was working on, that I was really inspired to start doing sort of bushcraft and simple outdoor play sort of stuff, learning about the basic elements of water, earth, air and fire through stories outdoors. And then forest school came along, and so I decided to train as a forest school leader, and I used to work for a company called Wildwise, running outdoor camps for 8 to 12 year olds and things like that, out in the woods on the edge of Dartmoor and in Devon. And so now here I am as a sort of self-employed environmental educator who I've created something called Whole Learning, which is a storytelling for outdoor learning sort of year course with a whole bunch of what they call midterm plans to go with each story that have been created by a creative educational consultant. So the idea is that you can tell a story, and then through one of these 12 or 13 stories, that you can then do a whole range of holistic education sort of through the story off the back of it. So that's called Whole Learning. So, and I'm also very much into music and nature and the patterns and sounds that we experience when we're outside, and how, not only on one level does this bring us a sort of health and happiness, sort of relaxation, but also that we can see that everything has sort of different vibration, it has a different pattern, it has a different smell or a different feeling, and music sort of can be an expression for the emotions. So the place that music and nature sort of meets, I sort of called natural musicians, and I've created a whole bunch of activities through the didgeridoo teaching and didgeridoo workshops that I've been running for 20 years that help people create their own music. So then I discovered that you could do this without having to use a didgeridoo or percussion. You can do it outside with your voice, with clapping games and with dance and movement. So that's what the Natural Musicians Project is about too. There you go. I was trying to do all of this in 3 minutes, so I've got 4 seconds to go. That's it for now. Bye.